standing, the sun was shining. I felt so low in my spirit, in my pain I was drowning. But God saw something in me, restored my life and set me free. Now I can see the sunshine, I can't believe this is me. I'm above all my troubles, I'm above all my pain, I'm above all my past, and my life will never be the same again. I'm above all my troubles, I'm above all my pain, I'm above all my past, and my life will never be the same again. Many didn't have faith in me, couldn't blame them, never knew I could achieve. Sometimes I wonder how I made it through those nights. I'm just thanking God I'm alive. I'm not crazy cause I talk to the homeless, I know their pain cause that was my test. Now I'm like an eagle soaring high, above my sleepless nights and all the tears I cry.
All the troubles, all the pain, all the past, and my life will never be the same again.
I'm above all my troubles, I'm above all my pain, I'm above all my past, and my life will never be the same again. I'm gonna share my testimony, what the Lord has done for me. He take me to a higher place.